So this belt has worn out, we just need to cut it, and let's replace it using this belt. This is the belt that I bought from a local store for 30 rupees. So this is the actual size of the belt. Ensure that the tapering edge is at the bottom, and just slide it up like this. So it would be a bit tight over here, but just slide it through, and then just put it across this wheel, and then just slot it in the drive like this. Yeah, so I've just loosened this motor a bit, and yeah, that's how it goes. So now the belt is tight, you just need to use a screwdriver, and fasten this motor, and that's it, you're done. So this is the most easiest and convenient way to remove the old belt and install a new one on these run of the mill desi sewing machines. That's it for now. Thank you.